In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add the camera to your taskbar. Your taskbar, just like pictured here, is the bar at the very bottom of your computer where you have the option to click on something to open it up quickly when you use your computer. Okay, so in order to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to move your mouse and you're going to go to the Start menu. When you single click onto the Start menu, all of your options, your menu is going to pop up. So you're going to look for the word camera, C-A-M-E-R-A. When you hover your mouse over top of that, it's going to gray it out a little bit. If you single click on it, it's going to open it, but that's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to select it to add it to the taskbar. So you're actually going to do what's called a two-finger click. Instead of using one finger to click the trackpad where it says camera, you're going to use two fingers at the same time and click down once. When I do that, a menu pops up. And I see that one of the options say pin to start, but we're trying to pin it to taskbar. So when I go to more, you'll notice it says pin to taskbar. If you single click that option, it pops up down to the taskbar. Okay, now this will be saved here every single time you use your computer. So I'm just going to click in the gray space on my computer, single click, just to clear that, and now I'm ready to use my camera on the taskbar.